Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on H&M. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be asked to choose your region. Just go ahead and select your region and you will be taken into the region's website. Click on the sign in button at the top section and then click on not a member yet, join here. You will now be taken into the registration page. Just type in your email address that you wish to use for registration and then enter your desired password. Now enter your date of birth and enter your name. After entering your gender and your postal code, click on the become a member option and now you will be signed up to your account on H&M right away. Make sure to check your inbox of the email address that you used to register to see if there's any email from H&M that you will need to click on. And now you can start shopping with your H&M account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on H&M. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.